I think it was on the first day of my teaching. There's a gentleman called Jardine Kerr. Shout out to Jardine Kerr, who said, look, love your podcast. Tick. Happy with that. But can you spend a little bit of time talking about corporate banking? Because corporate banking, maybe as opposed to investment banking, is just a little bit different and no less important. And also, you know, there's a lot of banks that hire a lot of graduates into corporate banking, but I think it's a little bit misunderstood. So this is going to be a bit of a short explainer podcast because, quite frankly, I'm sick of talking about Trump, and I want to talk about corporate banking instead.
And actually, one of the things that we were talking about was the more broad spectrum of different roles in finance outside of the traditional, typically when people think finance, banking or markets. Banking being investment banking specifically. So yeah, tell me about this major function that basically exists and is a significant part of every big financial institution, but people don't really know a great deal about in that way.
And corporate banking's got a bit of a special place in my heart because I started my career in M&A, but then because I was at HSBC, one of the biggest balance sheets of any bank and one of the biggest corporate banks in the world, that was our sweet spot. So really excited to talk about corporate banking today.